Hi, my name is Justin. I just recently took the fundamentals class at the NRVTA. Very informative. I recommend it to anyone who has an RV and wants to learn more about how to fix the things on it or just be better prepared to know more things about your RV. You probably did before. I've never owned an RV. I don't have one now. I'm actually in family's RV just to be here. I'm in my first week of class and it's great. Learning all kinds of stuff. And I recommend it to anybody who wants to learn more about it for sure. Thank you.